the question of, okay, if there was a beginning, because scientific evidence supports that point, and we demonstrated the evidence in the first video, then the question is it caused or is it not caused? And we saw that suggesting that it is not caused puts you in a position of really denying all of science. So from that point, we want to move on to say, okay, if we accept the idea there was a beginning, that scientifically we believe that can be ascertained, and if we accept the logic that says that the beginning was caused, what was the cause? And I would suggest to you that there are two logical choices about that cause. Choice number one is that the cause was caused by something that's personal. That would suggest an intelligence that created the creation with purpose and with order and with logic and with design. The other alternative is that the universe is a product of chance, that everything is the result of rote mechanistic accident. Design demands a designer. Plan demands a planner. And the opposite of that is to assume that everything is the product of chance. One of the interesting quotes on this is a quote by Julian Huxley. And as you read that, I'd like to point out to you that this is a beautiful statement of the alternative to the concept that there is design and purpose and order in the creation. I've seen this statement in science textbooks. Being a high school science teacher in the public schools, I've always been kind of interested that it was there because it really isn't a statement of science. It's really a statement of religion. As a matter of fact, Huxley has made references to that. One of his relatives made this statement based upon his ideas, and I think it's kind of interesting to notice that he readily admits that the motivation for assuming there is no meaning, no purpose, no design in the creation is a philosophical religious purpose. I think the end statement there is so obvious. The philosophy of meaninglessness was essentially an instrument of liberation, sexual and political. I think that's an accurate statement. But that really isn't the purpose of our discussion. What I'd like to do is to show you that this first statement that assumes that everything is the result of a long series of singularly beneficial accidents is not scientifically reasonable, that there is good, solid, logical evidence from science that there is purpose, that there is design, that there is intelligence in the creation.